Good morning, yogis. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Andreina, and this short class was designed for those busy days that you don't have a lot of time to practice yoga, but you still want to stretch your entire body and you want a boost of energy. So let's get started. Let's warm up the body. So feet as wide as your hip, stand straight, hands by your side. And as you inhale, lift the arms, and at the same time also lift the heels off the mat. Take an inhale, stretch, stretch. Rotate the hands, and as you exhale, bring the arms down at the same time with the heels. Inhale, lift the arms. Try to stretch as much as you can at the top. Rotate the hands, and then as you exhale, bring the arms down. Last time, inhale. Lift the heels off the mat. Stretch, stretch, stretch. And as you exhale, bring the arms down. So turn the legs as wide as you can. Bend the knees and drop the hips just a little bit, not too much. Left hand is on your thigh, and then right arm is gonna reach over. From here, extend the legs, keep the bend. Come to center. Bend the knees again. Right hand on the thigh. Left arm reaches over. Extend the legs. Come to center. We're gonna repeat the same. Bend the knees. Right arm reaches over. Keep the bend. Extend the legs. Then come to center. Bend the knees. Then the other side. Extend the legs. Come to center. Bend. Reach over. Extend. Center. Bend. Reach over. Extend. Come to center. So let's go to the top of the mat. So feet together, hands by your side, and as you inhale, lift the arms, and when you reach the top, bend the knees, and exhale and forward fold. You can sway it from side to side. Make sure that your neck is relaxed, and feel the stretch in the back and the legs. Place your palms firmly on the mat, and let's go into plank position. So feet are as wide as your hip and your wrists are below the shoulders. From here, bend one knee, keep the other one straight, and then switch sides. Again, the other side. This is a nice stretch on the calves and the back of the legs. And then slowly, as you keep walking, let's go into downward facing dog. Keep walking the dog if you want, or you can bend both knees. You can keep this straight, or you can keep walking with me. Feel the stretch in your legs, your arms. Make sure that your spine is straight. Shoulders are away from the ears and your fingers are spread apart. And then slowly let's walk towards the top of the mat. And then again, inhale, lift the arm, reach as high as you can, and then bend the knees, forward fold. From here, Ardha Uttanasana. back straight. Inhale, and then as you exhale, forward fold. From here, plank. From plank, downward facing dog. From downward dog, plank again. Bend the knees, and then let's come all the way down. From here, make sure that your hands are by your chest, and then lift the chest, and let's get into Bhujangasana. Shoulders are down, neck is long, and then from here, child's pose. Take a deep inhale. And a gentle exhale. And as you inhale, tuck the toes, lift the hip, and then slowly walk towards our hands. Again, lift the arms. Inhale. As you reach the top, bend the knees, exhale, then forward fold. Then straighten the back, keep it straight. Ardha Uttanasana. Bend again into forward fold. Place the palms on the mat and plank position. From here, downward facing dog. And from downward dog, plank again. You can adjust your feet. Bend the knees. Come all the way down. And Bhujangasana. Then go into child's pose. You can have your hands and your arms by your side. From child's pose, let's go into all fours. So wrist under your shoulders and knees under your hip. And as you inhale, lift the chest and look up. As you exhale, round the spine and look at your navel. Inhale again. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last time, inhale. Exhale. So sit on your heels and clasp your hands behind. Open the chest, inhale. And as you exhale, relax. Again, inhale. Lift the chest. Exhale, relax. Last time, inhale. And as you exhale, relax. Thank you for joining me in this class. If you have any requests, leave it in the comment section below because these classes are for you. If you enjoyed this session, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more yoga videos. Namaste.